mga kapatid, ito
reaction sa nag-comment na ang Matthew chapter 12 verse 40, ito ay referring to time only. Time ba? Panahon. So, tinanong prior to that, sa 38-39, the Jews and the Pharisees came to Jesus Christ and asking for a sign or a miracle. And Jesus Christ replied and said, evil and adulterous generation, there shall no sign be given into you, no miracles be given into you, except like to Jonah. For Jonah was 3 days and 3 nights in the belly of the whale, so shall be the Son of Man, shall be 3 days and 3 nights in the heart of the earth. Hindi po ito time, talking about time, but talking po ito kay Jonah. Dahil ang miracle ay kung itapon mo ang tao sa raging sea, tapos lulunukin siya ng isda, therefore mamatay. Ha? Sa panahon na hindi siya namatay, 3 days and 3 nights siya sa loob sa dagat, sa loob pa sa tiyan ng isda, buhay siya, tapos binuga doon sa baybayin, ay yan ay miracle. Hindi time, kundi a man who is supposed to die and hindi namatay, that is a miracle. The miracle of Jesus Christ representing Jonah is that he himself also will not die. Yun mga kapatid, hindi time, kahit masabihin natin 1 day, 24 hours, 3 hours, o ano pa sabihin natin na 1 week, binuga siya. Hindi naman yan ang miracle. Time is not a miracle. The miracle is that a man should die, mamatay na mamamatay siya, pero buhay.